important for me, for you guys to get a glimpse of my heritage. And I just wanted you guys to sort of just get a taste of my culture and my foods. And this is Chef Manoushka.
Hello, Chef Manoushka.
The first dish is a pâté.
Pâté is like a fried pork.
And then the next is soup joumou. This is our freedom soup.
Soup joumou.
Pumpkin soup.
Basically, we were told we weren't
Independence
allowed to
Day
eat
every year.
pumpkin.
Yeah.
And this is like a pumpkin soup. So enjoy, and then we'll go on to the next.
Yes.
So explain the pumpkin. Yeah, why not?
Pumpkin
Why
thing.
not allowed to eat pumpkin?
Yeah, why is it pumpkin?
Only the upper class would have certain.
Upper class.
Milat.
Yeah.
It took a little longer to grow. So like
Right,
having
so it was a specialty.
Yeah.
So it was a specialty.
Oh, and then over here, if you're into spicy, this is called pikliz.
If you're not brave, don't go with the pikliz.
Okay.
Because it's very spicy.
Pikliz.
Spicy veggie relish.
Honey, we like spicy, so let me see. Oh, yeah. Her mom's from Morocco. Yeah. She was born in Tangiers, grew up in Argentina.
And your dad's Israeli.
Yes. So there's, a lot of flavor, needless to say. That's the way I was raised. Whereas a lot of American food is like very bland, you know?
Yeah.
We didn't have that.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's
That's
what
beautiful
brings
that
to
she
tropical
did.
vibe.
Those are orchids. Not talking about the orchids. Yeah.
What? What's that about?
Sispan pali.
Stop talking.
Why am I looking at you, Dory?
Yeah, well, how many languages do you want to tell me to shut up in?
That means shut up? Yeah.
Boulette morue.
Cod Fish Balls.
Our next dish is boulettes de morue, which is cod fish balls.
Not those kind of balls.
Molasses sustain us. So this is a dish that really means a lot to us as well. Enjoy.
They're like we're eating fish balls. It looks like a wiener.
Don't you look?
The food is not what I'm used to. Real. Just eat it.
I'm just gonna eat it.
I like people like that. She's so honest.
Not at the table, she
I
wasn't.
did. I ate it.
Lambi.
Conch.
Oh, that's lambi. Oh, good.
Lambi, which is conch, with Djon Djon, which is a mushroom black rice.
All right.
Oh.
I'm gonna eat.
Bon appetit.
What is conch?
It's kind of like,
A snail, a sea snail.
yeah.
Oh, this is where she tells the
Black
story.
in the whole school. I invite a friend over who I'm excited about, my first American friend.
But I love it.
And I walk into our kitchen, and there's a dead goat's head in the sink. Out the door.
What's that? Oh, wow. Something exciting is going on over there. Crème brûlée.
Lavender crème brûlée.
Yeah, gorgeous.
That's not typical
It's not a
Haitian,
Haitian
is it?
dessert.
Oh, it's
It's
not?
French.
Okay, but it's pretty. Everything has been so delicious. Thank you so much.
It really has. Thank you so much. Really, me too.
Yeah, I think so too.
Great thing on the
Me too. I tried everything.